Holy heck.
What did we get today?
808 Local Hawaiian Grill. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
I was not expecting that, Elisa.
This is beef rib. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna tell you right now, Elisa, I'm not going back to LNL. I don't have words.
Look at this. They literally did.
They went
Oh my, like the rice, the mac salad. I don't even know where to start. You see this? I love mac salad. With some hot sauce? Where that?
We ain't sponsored, but this is the best sriracha you'll ever get.
Literally, my mouth is watering. This is a beef rib. Off the bone. I'll be there every week. Get my paycheck. First in line. 808 Local Hawaiian Grill gets